One of the most exciting projects we've been working on is the design of the installation. We call it a statement of form. It was really important to go beyond the cliches of typical product presentation and really make this an experience with Gaggenau. We did a test fit in the workshop, and when we saw the sculpture for the first time, it was just amazing.
So this year we tried something completely different, a sculpture where you can walk through, where you can get a glimpse of what the soul of Gaggenau is all about. Our products are made out of precious and very long-lasting real materials, like glass, like stainless steel, like marble, real wood, tiles. You can feel the quality, you can hear it when you walk on the floor, when you touch the marble, it's a different thing. At the core of our sculpture, you can really feel what steam is all about and how powerful it is.
It's about a whole set of perfectly aligned, of perfectly matching products, harmonizing together.